Hey, social media family, TMrlegacybuilder Moore here, and thanks for checking out my channel. Today, you guys are going to learn the remaining portion of how to make money by fixing this one thing. This is part 2 of the 3-part series. In this series, there's 2 steps that you have to take to get to the next level, which is improving your bottom line as a self-employed entrepreneur or as a business owner. So let's get into it. So of course, by now, if you've watched the first video, you know that the one thing is sales. So you know, when you're trying to make more money, the thing you have to fix is sales. When you fix your sales process, you will, and I can guarantee that, make more money. Because within your sales process, you have a lot of things going on. How you should be following and reaching out to customers, what you should be doing when you get there, and so forth. So the third thing in this 6 steps in that sales process is the presentation. Now, with your presentation is actually how you deliver, why you, what you have to offer, and who you are, as well as how you're going to solve the problem. You know, so those things in a different type of order, of course. I'm not going to really get into the order. I'm just going to focus on the thing that you need to improve, which is the presentation. So let me give you an example real quick. Say you're trying to sell a pillow and you meet your customer. You're meeting your customer face to face. You sell a pillow. Your presentation may go something like this. You hand them the pillow. Hey, how's it going? Feel this pillow real quick. They grab the pillow. As they're feeling on the pillow, you use features about the pillow to connect and build rapport. Hand them while they're squeezing the pillow. You like soft pillows? This pillow is real soft. What you think about soft pillows? Do you lay on soft pillows? And as you ask them questions, engaging questions, and they say things like, oh, I love soft pillows. I was looking for a better pillow right now, or oh, this pillow is amazing, it's so soft. That's allowing you to build rapport. Also, while you're building rapport and you're using different types of features, you're also allowing yourself the ability to know what to use in your bullet, which is a type of theory that you use when you're rebuttaling or connecting to customers. So you'll take those features and then you'll use correlated, which is similar, or benefits that are in that realm of the features. So for example, if the person liked a soft pillow, you could say something like, so when you get this pillow today and you go home, you're going to be able to get a better sleep from your comfortable soft pillow. That tells the benefit being a better sleep. If while you're engaging them, telling them about the features, and they stumble across a neck hurt and things like that, one of the benefits of that pillow might be it gives you a deeper sleep or relieves tension off the neck. So you'll let them know those benefits of the pillow in regards to how that problem is for them. Because when you connect the benefits as a solution to the product, whether it's a pillow as a product, for example, or if it's a service that solves that problem that individual have, that pain point, not so much of just a need, but the want. Because you know, most of the times, even though we need it, we might not buy it. So if your presentation makes this a pain point want to be a better individual, you will make the need an actual want, and this person will actually buy your product. Remembering that you're closing them. So a great way to close in a presentation is to use a Jones effect of some sort. So using this pillow, Jones effect is like comparing it. John did this, or Sue did this. So for this example, so you guys can become familiar, you can say something like, hey, so people have been coming around buying 4, 5, 7 pillows. Do you want to buy 4 or do you want to buy 7 pillows today? And you're using higher numbers because you're trying to increase your sale, and you're allowing them to see that it is in demand. Thus, that being the Jones effect. People like keeping up with the Joneses. So after you say something like that, they might say, no, just give me one or just give me two. If they say something like, just give me one, you'll say, did you want one? Did you want two? One for you, one for your mate, or one for you and one for your significant other, or one for you and one for your mom, something like that in that nature. And that is a follow-up, which brings me to the second step in this in part 2 today. The follow-up. That's a follow-up in rehashing and trying to get more out the sale. But the actual follow-up that I'm particularly talking about in your process is not just trying to get more out the sale, but also trying to get their name, their email address, and their phone number. Now, you want to always grab your customer's name, email address, and phone number because you want to build a lifetime value base. You want to position yourself to be unique by later on contacting them if they've got your service or if they've received your product, and asking them, hey, just some survey questions. Giving them something for free is a great way to get this type of information. If your process or presentation doesn't require them to do it, you want to try to give something away. That's an excellent way to get them to give you that information. But by getting that information, worst case scenario, you don't close them, they're not ready, but you was able to give them something for free by exchanging their name, email address, and telephone number, which is their mobile number. That's the one you should be asking for. You're able to follow up with them later on and put them in some type of sequence so that you can follow up with them later on and maybe close the sale in the future. So the follow-up is key. You know, on one end, it helps you build yourself as a different individual, unique in that you're learning about what made them go through the sale with you, whether it's for a product or a service. And you're also checking out, you know, to see how they like their product or service. It shows that they're more than just a customer to you. It shows a bit of care and a great sense of customer relations, which is something excellent that puts you in front of mind. That could potentially lead to more sales in the future. The question of the day, what area do you feel helps you the best? Is it the presentation or is it the follow-up? Feel free to leave that down in the comment below. Let's keep this conversation going. Remember, the presentation with a good close is key for making you guys close that sale, and the follow-up is detrimental by keeping you in front of mind with the customer and building a great customer relations, which can lead to more sales in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys taking the time. Be sure to like. If you stayed to the end right now, be sure to like and subscribe. Also hit that bell for the upcoming videos on this channel. Right now you're at the end of the video, so if you didn't get a chance to see part 1, it should be somewhere right here, either on this side or on this side. Definitely click that icon that's popping up and check out that video. Also, it's been a pleasure. God bless.